Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for water sign? Cancer. So messages for Cancer. What are the messages for Cancer? The Sun, the Chariot and Page of Wands. Queen of Wands, Three of Pentacles and the Emperor. Page of Pentacles. The World and Six of Wands. There is some type of waiting you are going through, Cancer. And you are undergoing some transformation also, Death card. Yeah, you invested in some relationship and waiting for commitment, maybe marriage. If you are invested some money in some businesses and waiting for your result. There is some type of waiting and you undergoing some transformation, some changes in your life. You are waiting for some change in your life. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio especially or Cancer. So let's see your reading. Cancer, it's your reading and it's your card. So recent past, the Sun, Chariot and Page of Wands. I think past was okay. There were no issues, to be frank. And Page of Wands, one person is younger than the other person in this connection. Maybe some communication was happened between you and your person. I am not seeing any separation, any no contact situation, to be frank. Everything was okay in past. You are happy with your person and you are doing things well, but slow moving. But things are in slow moving energy because Cancer, Chariot is very slow moving. Then present, Queen of Wands, Three of Pentacles and Emperor. I think maybe you both have some ego problems. There is no equal give and take. Not a separation it is. I think you are investing a lot than your person. Queen of Wands, it could be you. Cancer, you stand by your power, you are very grounded. And Three of Pentacles, I think now things are balancing between both of you and your person also want collaboration with you because Three of Pentacles, they also want to partnership with you. They want to work on this relationship. And future energies, Page of Pentacles, the World and Six of Wands. And yeah, if you are in relationship, you are waiting for something, definitely your relationship is going to be next level. There will be success in your relationship. You both will marry because Six of Wands. For some it could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Some communication is coming. I think children's also involved for this connection. Maybe one person have kids already in this connection. And the World with Six of Wands, you are getting material success. Maybe you are getting a lot of fame, name, whatever. Definitely you are getting a lot of success and fame. Six of Wands. Your life is going to be upgrade. Cancer. Because this is very positive reading. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Cancer or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity. See, death. Maybe your person is transforming. You both, I think you both are on the same page maybe. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings. Wow. Ace of Swords, Knight of Cups, Four of Wands. There is some heart-to-heart conversations between both of you in near future. There will be definitely because Ace of Swords, truth coming out, honest conversations between both of you. And Knight of Cups, they have so much love for you. They really want to offer something big to you. And Four of Wands, they are planning something Four of Wands means celebration, vacation. Maybe they're planning something. They want this happiness with you and they're planning something to do. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Cancer. But they're planning, but very slow moving energy because Knight of Cups is here. See, Ace of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Two of Wands. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. Yeah, your person planning everything and they're thinking about you a lot. And they're thinking about how to take this relationship to next level. Maybe you both are in relationship. They want to marry you. I think there is upgrade. There is no negative cards in these 6 cards also. And Page of Cups. Maybe you person little times they are behaving like a kid, like a child, immature. But they are always thinking about you. No matter what. You are on their mind 24/7. And they really have so much emotions for you. So many emotions because they have so much love for you. Knight of Cups energy. But under the deck, Five of Cups. Maybe they're feeling sad. I am not seeing any separation. Maybe they're feeling sad for something in their life. Maybe family issues, whatever. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Wow. 8 of Pentacles with 4 of Swords and rebirth. Very few, if you are in no contact situation, very few, not all. They're really thinking about you, even though they are not talking to you. And 8 of Pentacles, they're really thinking about how to take things to next level. For some, maybe your person undergoing some healing and meditation process. Queen of Pentacles. You are very nurturing and giving person. It's you, Cancer. 7 of Wands. I think for some, those who are in separation, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe for some, there are some misunderstandings between both of you, not all. Because 5 of Pentacles is cold shouldering. Why? Queen of Cups. So, I think I want one more clarification card for 3 of Swords. The Star. Yeah. Maybe for some, you both are in separation because I am getting 3 of Swords, 5 of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. Yeah, very few. Those who are in separation, reconciliation is coming because the Star card is here. Here two groups. One group is separated, another group is in communication. So those who are not in separation, your relationship is going to be next level. Those who are in separation, definitely there is reconciliation because the Star. Definitely there are highly possible. Because your person thinking about to take this relationship to next level and you are also very giving and a caring person. And Ace of Wands under the deck. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Cancer. Yeah, lots of communication is coming. Lots of passion is between both of you. And stability is coming. You also thinking about them a lot. 5 sign. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see your person overall energy. For the week, Cancer. Nine of Wands. They are also thinking about you. They want this reconciliation with you. Maybe right now they are juggling, but lot of passion. They are very attracted to you. There is a lot of attraction and you both are very passionate about each other. Cancer. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. What do you need to release? And under the deck, it's time to take action when new moon is, especially new moon in Aries. So what do you need to release? If you have any negative thoughts about your person, you are thinking negatively, it's time to release your negative thoughts and negative things from your life, and it's time to take action. So if you want to take action towards your person, and this is the message for you. And this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.